Gouging is a process where instead of cutting through material, we're actually washing away material. A common use for gouging is washing away welds or washing away base material for your manufacturing process. So for example, if you're manufacturing and butting two plates together and you have a bevel on those plates, once that weld's been laid down and those seams have been put together, you then come in from the back side and you can wash away that material and get down to those new welds so you can lay your new weld tack down so you get that full penetration. And that's a very popular application for gouging consumables as well. One other application for gouging consumables is in repair for weld removal. Let's say you had a part that had weld tacks down and you need to remove those welds, either because you need to remove and replace your gusset or your stanchion, or your weld's cracked and you need to remove that weld to put a new bead down to correct it. This would be another application for gouging where you could wash away those welds and put your clean weld down and then be back into your regular manufacturing process.